Let's learn how you can change audio language in YouTube videos. Before we actually start, I will have to tell you something, that this option doesn't work on any video. Like, not every video has this option because it depends on YouTuber if he set audio track on another language. But I will show you how you can do this anyway. So we'll have to go to YouTube, click on search, or just find video you want to see. I will type Mr. Beast because his videos have this option. Go to his video. I will just have to mute his.
I'm about to show you what it happened. $50,000 to explore the depths of our oceans. Whoa! It's
Aku ngerasa kayak melayang. Sekarang kamu tahu rasanya jadi aku dan Chandler. Oke. Ya, $1 cuma bisa buat 2 menit dan waktunya habis. Ayo makan malam di angkasa. Dengan $10.000 kita bisa naik 3.000 kaki